Welcome. Today we will learn about Medcran medicine. Medcran, medigreen, sachets are a nutritional supplement. It contains cranberry natural extract. It is sugar-free sachets and used for recurrent UTIs, urinary tract infections, and urinary discomfort such as increased frequency, sensation of urgency, burning and pain. Package contains. The Medcran package contains 10 sachets. You can also buy it as a single sachet. Composition. Each sachet contains cranberry extract, ms. 250 mg. Dosage and directions to use. Mix the contents of the sachet in a glass of water, stir and use immediately. Do not store an open sachet, must be used immediately. Use 1 to 2 sachets daily or as directed by the physician. Keep at dry and cold place. Users, benefits. Medcran prevents the adhesion of infection-causing bacteria, E. coli, and helpful to prevent from urinary tract infections. The same bacterial anti-adhesion property has also been found against the bacteria that cause stomach ulcers H. pylori, and dental cavities forming bacteria, Streptococcus mutans. It offers demonstrated efficacy against the bacteria that cause UTI. Bacterial adherence to the mucosal cell, host cell surface membrane, is an initial step in the development of infection. It is also used for recurrent UTIs, urinary tract infections, and urinary discomforts, such as increased frequency, sensation of urgency, burning and pain. The ingredient cranberry helps prevent bacterial adhesion in the urinary tract, supporting UTI prevention, offers antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects that may ease joint pain and support cardiovascular and gut health, can enhance immune function and oral hygiene by inhibiting harmful microbes, and even supports skin health and metabolic balance. Caution: do not use if you are allergic to the cranberry. Storage condition: store below 25 degrees Celsius. Protect from direct sunlight, heat and moisture. Keep out of reach of children. Nutritional supplement, not for the treatment of any disease. Manufacturer and buy online. Medcran sachets are manufactured by Medigreen Healthcare. This medicine is not available online. You can buy it from any nearby pharmacy. It is available at a retail price of around 375 rupees. Thanks for watching and supporting. Take your medicines as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes them. You can check its article at MedsArchive.com. Have you ever used this medication? Please share your experience in the comments. Which medicine should we cover next? Your suggestion could be our next video. MedsArchive 1.